have a surprise and it's behind me. But what could it be? It's a baby iPad Pro! Hi everyone, I'm Sophia Camarda if you're new, and today we're going to be doing an iPad Pro unboxing. This is the iPad Pro 13-inch M4 in space black. I'm so excited about this. I have been dying to get this iPad, and I held out for a good 8 months, but today I cracked. And not only did we get the new iPad, but we also got an open box, excellent condition Magic Keyboard. Because guess what? I'm not paying $350 for this Apple. I'm sorry. I can't bring myself to do it. So let's just get into it. I am dying to open this. So yes, we got the space black iPad Pro. I will show you my current iPad so that we can compare. I'm actually a proud mother of the iPad Pro 12.9 inch. This is the 5th generation. This is actually the silver and I have the black case on it. As you could see, I had a very stock wallpaper on it because I'm trying to sell this iPad. Hopefully by the time that I post this video, it'll be sold. So we are going from this to this. Let's open it. So as I said, this is the iPad Pro 13-inch M4 in space black. I got the Wi-Fi model and this is in 256 gigs. Let's go ahead and peel it. And let's open it. This is hard to do. I'll use my knees. Please don't fall. Wow. By the way, did you guys know this says Pro? That's pretty cool. Here it is, the iPad. Let's take it out. And it is really light. Let's just get right into the iPad. Ooh, the black is so pretty. I'm so happy I got black. I was honestly a little indecisive. Because I was like, do I match the white back here? But no, screw that. We're going black. So here is what it looks like, untouched. Here is a close-up of the camera. And the whole back is like this very nice metallic deep black. It kind of reminds me of the space black MacBook. I don't know if I have that here to show. I have the space black MacBook and it looks just like that. So those two together are gonna be so good. It is really thin. Look how thin this is. I don't know if you can really see, but like, look how thin that is. Let's go ahead and compare it to the other iPad. Here is my old iPad and then here is the new one. There is a significant difference. Like, that is pretty crazy. And there's definitely a difference in weight too. This one is definitely a lot lighter than this one. Wow. Let's set this to the side for just 1 second and go through the rest of the box, even though I don't want to. We've got this little... It's fine. They're like, here you go, damn. Okay, so we got this nice little folder designed by Apple in California, along with this power brick, which is always nice to have. So we have this iPad Pro book. This shows the basic gestures on how to use the iPad, along with a black cable that is braided. I was not expecting the cable to be black. I actually appreciate that a lot. This also comes with the black MacBook Pro, so I like that they did this. I wasn't expecting that. And that's everything in the box. So let's get into the iPad. Let's go ahead and turn it on. And I never use my iPad without a keyboard, so this is kind of weird to just be holding it like this. Here we go. Our first moments together. Hello! We are home. Oh my god, it's beautiful. This is so nice. What the heck? This is a gorgeous piece of technology. This is crazy. Okay, let's get into it. I'm just gonna go like this. Hello? Okay. So we will select our language, which is English, United States. I'll keep the default appearance. Now I'm gonna select my Wi-Fi. This screen is freaking gorgeous. I wonder how different it is from the iPad that I have, because it actually... Wait, isn't this OLED now? Yeah, these are OLED screens now. That's why it looks so good. This is next level. The iPad is activating, I hope. What do you mean unable to activate? And why is the screen dark? What the heck? What is going on? That was so weird. The screen was dark for a second, but we're good. I don't even know. Maybe I was covering one of the cameras. We're gonna do the Face ID. We're rotating to landscape. So the camera is now on the middle, so you can use it in landscape mode, which is a huge upgrade. A huge upgrade. It's a good upgrade, okay? Don't mind me. Great. We are signing in. Guys, this screen is beautiful. Like, it is the prettiest screen I've come across from Apple, like prettier than the iPhone. The colors are so saturated. It's just beautiful. I'm already seeing a difference and I already don't regret getting the new iPad. Honestly, because it's so thin, it kind of feels like some kind of sci-fi tech. Like, it feels like we're in the future. It just feels like, look at that. I'm holding a screen that is like paper. So this iPad supports Apple Intelligence, so we can actually go ahead and set that up, which is pretty nice. You can have the option to have your notifications summarized. I have this on my phone and I do use it, but sometimes it's like a little weird. Like, I want to know what someone actually said in their text and not just have it be summarized. So here you can actually pick which ones you want summarized. So I think I'm gonna leave out the text. I'm gonna do these options for now. Now we're gonna be setting up Siri. I never use Siri, but honestly, I'm not gonna lie, the new rainbow animation around the screen, that hits. So you have to double tap the bottom of your screen to get Siri to activate. How's the weather? Hey, send a message. Girl, hey, send a message. Set a timer for 3 minutes. Hey, get directions home. Play some music. That was an experience. Oh my god, I was like doing all these things behind me. She's listening. Improve Siri and dictation. So I will share my audio recordings because I have nothing to hide. Welcome to iPad. Let's go ahead and get started. Here is how they have the layout when you first enter, and it looks really beautiful. Sorry about the ring light, by the way, but here's how it's looking. The screen is gorgeous. Let's compare it side by side to my other screen, just because I need you guys to see the difference. Like, this is a beautiful screen. I feel like the camera is not even doing it justice. Okay, so I'm gonna show them side by side. Can you see a difference? Maybe I'll do a clip actually, like showing them. You can definitely see a difference just in the color depth. I feel like the colors are a lot deeper on the OLED version. And overall, it just feels like brighter and kind of like a little bit warmer too. I made sure to turn off True Tone on both of them so we could get the most accurate representation. There really is a difference, which I kind of wasn't expecting, but I could definitely see it. Just holding them together, like this one feels so much heavier than this one. This one I already got used to like the feather lightness of it, and this one just feels like, I don't know, it just feels kind of heavy, which is weird because when I first got it, it felt pretty good. And I'm not gonna lie, this is a great iPad to have. Like, this is the M1 iPad Pro. Honestly, she's fine. I could still get away with this for a few more years. Now that we've opened the iPad, let's do the keyboard and see what the full setup is gonna look like. And I will be able to compare the keyboards for you guys too, because I do have both. This is the new Magic Keyboard, and guys, like, honestly, okay, I got scared that I had the wrong one, but I have the right one. So I did get this open box from Best Buy because I, like I said, do not want to spend $350 on a freaking keyboard. So I got this for like $270, which is still a lot of money, but at least I got some kind of discount on it. Until Apple sponsors me, we're gonna be doing stuff like this. So let's cut right into it. Let's see what's going on here. We were robbed of the usual unboxing experience. Also, there is a hair in the tape, so that's how you know you're getting the authentic open box experience. That is freaking disgusting. Whatever. Pretend it's a new box, okay? We're gonna forget about the hair. So it's packaged like the iPad, which is kind of funny. And here is the new case. It's so similar to my old case that I still got confused. I was like, did I get the right one? But I did. So here is what the newest Magic Keyboard looks like. It is more of like a metal material down here now, as you could see. It matches the iPad perfectly, and that just looks gorgeous. The black is so sleek. It looks just like my space black MacBook Pro. I will say it is a lot lighter. Let me show you guys the other keyboard. Here is the old keyboard, and this one is definitely a little bit less sleek. Like, it is more heavy, and the material here is not metal. It's more of like a silicone thing going on here. Here's what they look like side by side. This is the new one and this is the old one. Can you guys see a difference? I mean, the metal is definitely a big upgrade. Here is the width. I feel like that is kind of similar. Weight wise, I will say this one is lighter. This one is pretty heavy. It kind of is like the weight of the iPad by itself, if that makes sense. And the back is basically the same. So again, this is the new one, this is the old one. Same design, and they do both have the USB-C on the sides, as you could see there. Also on the new one, the trackpad is a lot bigger, so you have more space. But let's go ahead and put this on the new iPad and let's see the vibe. Welcome to your new home. Here's how it looks all together, and it is so sleek. I have to like really stand back because it's kind of big. This is what it looks like. I love the black. It is totally hitting. The whole thing is so much lighter. Like, this feels like such a relief compared to my old setup. Look at it folded up. Like, this is so sleek. Again, I'm gonna show you guys a comparison. Here's the new one, here's the old one. There is the difference in the width, as you could see there, and the weight is a big difference. This one I'm struggling to hold, honestly. Like, it's pretty heavy with one hand, versus this one is actually manageable. I wouldn't say it's light, but I would describe it as like portable, you know? Like, it feels kind of like lighter than a MacBook Pro, if that helps at all. And it's really sleek looking. I love this like black detail up here on the hinge. I just think that looks really good. It is gorgeous. So hopefully the old iPad goes to a good home. It has served me very well, and I will say I got my money's worth, and this iPad it's just good. Like, I really do love this iPad, and I think whoever gets it is gonna get great use out of it. And it's not a bad iPad at all. Any iPad with an Apple chip, honestly, is gonna be good. So now that we have the new iPad, you may be wondering, where is the pencil? I am still waiting on the pencil. It's coming in the mail. Hopefully, depending on how I edit this, I will add the pencil unboxing to the end, or I will do a short video unboxing it. So stay tuned and make sure you're subscribed if you're not. The new iPad Pro doesn't work with my current pencil, which kind of sucks. I do have the iPad mini. If you guys are new, I have a cult for the iPad mini. I used to be able to use this pencil with both my iPads, but now I can't. But I guess that's fine, because now I'll have a pencil for each one and I won't have to keep like switching it over. But yeah, so here's my current iPad setup. I'm gonna be making a video on the difference and why I have two iPads, so stay on the lookout for that. But let's get back to the main event here. We have unboxed the new iPad Pro, and this video is really meant to be more of an unboxing and just sharing the joy of opening a new iPad. But I will show you guys some up-close shots of the iPad so that you can see it a little more in detail, and I'll tell you the basic specs. And I will be reading those specs off of the new iPad. This is a 13-inch Ultra Retina XDR display. It has ProMotion technology, and the new iPad Pros also have a nano texture display glass option on the 1TB and 2TB models. This iPad has the Apple M4 chip, and it has up to 8-core CPU and 8-core GPU. It supports Apple Intelligence and has a 12-megapixel wide camera, 4K video, and ProRes. It also has a landscape 12-megapixel center stage camera, and it also has a true depth camera system. Not sure what that means, but I will insert the description here. It has a USB-C connector with support for Thunderbolt USB 4, Face ID, 4-speaker audio, and 4 studio quality microphones. It supports Wi-Fi 6E, so your Wi-Fi will be a lot faster. You can have 5G cell on it if you get that option. It supports the Apple Pencil Pro, which is coming soon, as well as the Apple Pencil USB-C. This works with the Magic Keyboard for iPad Pro, and here is some keyboard ASMR for you using the new Magic Keyboard. I I would say those are the most important specs. So that was my iPad unboxing. So you may be wondering, like, what do you use your iPad for? So I have a website, it's called SAGELLE.com, and I use my iPad Pro primarily for making things for my website. So I make digital downloads like wallpapers, theme packs, custom app icons, widget covers, all those kinds of things, and I do that all on my iPad. I usually use Procreate or Photoshop, and I just love using the iPad Pro for creating because it's such a beautiful screen, and I feel like all the colors are correct and I can really see what I'm doing compared to a smaller iPad, or even sometimes on the computer, like certain monitors don't have the same look, and the screen on this iPad is what really sells it for me. So I use it kind of like a supplement to my MacBook Pro. I like to use them side by side a lot. I just really love that combination. They work really well together. So I think if you do any kind of like digital creation or even like content creation, I know a lot of people edit their videos on their iPads. If you do anything like that, photography, a Pro iPad is where it's gonna be for you. I think a regular iPad or like the iPad Air is better for like students or just everyday use. For someone who does everything online and makes a lot of digital stuff, the Pro is always gonna be my choice. That was my unboxing. I hope you guys liked it. I'm so excited to play with the new iPad. Stay tuned because I will be doing more iPad content. Maybe I'll do like a what's on my iPad. I think that would be pretty cool. And as always, thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye! Congratulations, you made it to the Apple Pencil Pro unboxing! This unboxing will be done in ASMR, so enjoy! Okay, and we're back to talking. Here's what the pencil looks like, and it does come with this booklet on how to use it. So we're gonna go ahead and attach it to the iPad. It gives us this very cute animation, as well as this welcome screen. It shows us the new squeeze feature, as well as a section to try out the scribble feature. I added it to the Find My app, and let's go ahead and test it out. So we're in the Freeform app, which is Apple's version of Procreate basically, and so far the pencil is feeling very smooth. I'm using the squeeze feature here to cycle through my different tools, and here you can see the hover feature, which is going to show where your pencil is tracking, and you can also tap the pencil to switch between two different mediums. So that was a quick demo of the Apple Pencil Pro. Thanks for watching till the end, and I will see you guys next time.